is my Waters Brewer study experiment number 1. 22.5 grams of gypsum for the whole entire batch. That should give it extreme amount of bitterness, make it very dry, maybe a little cloudy, and you can see just how carbonated it made it right here. And that could be, since it's my first experiment, I might have added too much priming sugar. I kind of wish this wasn't this. I had one of these the other night and there definitely wasn't that much carbonation in it. But so anyways, for the experiment, 7.5 pounds organic 2-row, 1 pound caramel 20, half pound carapils. Strike temperature is 180. Mash temperature was 155. I smacked the yeast at 430. So that means about 8 o'clock is when I pitched the yeast. 3.5 gallon strike water. And this one was, I started with distilled water, or reverse osmosis water. And then 3 gallons sparge water. I checked the mash temp 30 minutes into it, is 155. Mash temp 60 minutes was 154. So I lost a degree or two. And my hops, I used 0.8 nugget, start a boil, and second is 0.8 Chinook, 30 minutes into the boil. Third is 0.4 Cascade, 45 minutes into the boil, and another 0.4 Cascade into boil. And the mash pH was 5.2, so we were right there, good. That lets you know right then and there that gypsum doesn't affect the pH, whereas baking soda will affect the pH, it'll raise the pH. So, fun fact. Let's see, the original gravity is 1.055, final gravity is 1.018, turned out to be a 5% alcohol. I used 2.5 ounces of cane sugar for priming into a third a cup of water, and I added that in with the beer after it was done fermenting before I bottled it, because the extra sugar will give it the carbonation. And you can just look at that head retention. It's crazy. It's sticking there. It's taking forever. But it looks very good. Little amber color. See if I can make a drink out of all these. I'll wait a second. But it smells bomb. Definitely what I get from the Cascade, you get that freaking citrusy smell. A little piney. Not too piney though. Not too much floral either. But man, does it taste good. It's not too bitter at the end like some of the other beers. It goes away, which is good. That means not much harsh bitterness, which is what you don't want. Head retention is good. The color is good. Like I said before, it was really clear before the yeast got all mixed up. It's a little more dark after I shook this up and, well, the first pour, there was a huge head. Had to take some of the head off, and now it's all hazy, but it's super bomb. It might be a little bit old, a little bit on the expired date. This was brewed over, let's see, it was brewed on December 11th. So it's been 3-4 months. And it almost tastes like a brown ale now. Yeah, it tastes pretty bomb actually. Might not fit the exact category of an IPA, but maybe it might be like a New England IPA, because it does taste very full-bodied in mouthfeel. And that 22 grams of gypsum did not make it nearly as bitter as I thought it would. I thought it was going to be undrinkably bitter, but it's actually damn good. So I'm definitely going to add a shitload of gypsum in a lot of my batches now. Fun fact, experiments, man. And so some of the other experiments I've done is all distilled water, 22 grams of calcium chloride, 22 grams of Epsom salt, 22 grams of baking soda, rainwater, tap water, and hose water. If you want to check out some of my other experiments, head over to my website, www.watersbrewer.com, and I will be going over the other analysis on Thursday, which is March 23rd, 2017, 4 p.m. on my Facebook at Waters Brewer. And I'm going to be going over 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, all the experiments. I'm going to go over all the analysis of them, and I'll probably be on live off and on from 4 p.m. till maybe 10 p.m. going over those 5 different beers. So I'll be drinking 5 beers. Should be a good time. Once again, my name is Ty Stevenson. I'm the Waters Brewer. Thank you for listening. Hope forward to seeing you soon. Thanks. Bye.